How to create a URL for an image. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now you will need to navigate to this one website. Once you're over here, now what you have to do is upload the picture for which you want to create a URL. Click on the option, select the images to upload. Now different options will appear. You can use photo library, take photo or choose files. Once you have selected the picture, click on the option upload, but before that you can select auto delete image. From these options you can select any of the option. Now click upload. Once the picture has been uploaded, link for it will be created. Now I can copy it and share it. So this way you can easily create URL for an image. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.